Good morning, dear colleagues. I am Tulеуова Mадинна Кужжатовна, the teacher of English from secondary school for gifted children number 8. I would like to present my lesson in the 3rd grade. The title of the lesson is Places in a Town, corresponding to the unit buildings in the context of our town theme. The plan is drawn up by 3 learning objectives suggested by key document of updated curriculum. So that, accordingly to these goals, I have chosen lesson objectives made in SMART format. Define and name the places of the town. Read the text clearly and correctly. Distinguish the main information of the text and choose the correct answer. Interpret the questions and share ideas in group. Select correct words. Point out correct answer according to the test. To achieve the lesson objectives and to develop listening, reading and writing skills, I have planned the following activities: brainstorming, true or false, comparing, quiz, according to the age of the learners. At the beginning of the lesson, I do the next activity. Brainstorming association was conducted by association methods. Learners say words that are connected with the topic. I am sure learners know vocabulary and they name the words. In the middle of the lesson, to achieve following objectives: distinguish the main information of the text and choose the correct answer, and interpret the question and share ideas in group. I use the differentiation by task in my plan. At first, the whole class reads the text and understood the main information from the text. After reading, learners do post-reading task in group. The first group is given the task true or false. For the second group is given the task to answer questions on the text. Among the questions, there is an open question contributing to the development of critical thinking. Differentiation by task is important in lessons because we have to take into account the abilities of children and enable them to be realized. An important role in the updated curriculum of secondary education is played by assessment. An example of the assessment I would like to show in the next task for the listening. In this task, after the children have listened to the text and understood the general meaning, should perform a small test for understanding. After that, they check and evaluate each other according to the given criteria, so that I reach the next lesson objectives, select correct words and point out correct answer according to the test. Also, during the lesson, after task, I don't forget to encourage my learners with a verbal assessment and praising. Good, well done, wonderful, excellent. For feedback was chosen message island, since it was important to me to evaluate the emotionless background of learners who are students of primary school. They must choose one of the 3 islands. The island of interest, if it was interesting; the island of fear, if they felt uncertainty and fear in the performance of tasks; the island of boredom, if it was boring. The final self-assessment is to fill the table where it is clearly specified how many tasks should have been performed.